Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, today we are to begin with a very funny story. Triumph of surgery. Triumph means victory. Victory of surgery. So today we are to begin with a very funny story. A triumph of surgery. A victory of surgery. Little about this caption, this word surgery. Surgery has got two meanings. As an uncountable noun, it means operation on the body of a patient. Operation on the body of a patient with the help of surgical instrument. Shalya chikitsa. Surgery means chaku, kachi or other surgical apparatus, equipment or instrument के द्वारा ऑपरेट कर, ठीक है, that is शल्य चिकित्सा. And surgery as a countable noun means a place, a clinic, a small hospital where patients are treated, animals are treated, that is a surgery. So here surgery means a pasu chikitsalaya. Okay. And the narrator of this prose piece is, this story is James Herriot. The narrator of this prose piece is James Herriot. He is a vet, V.D. in short, in an informal way, formally, will us say, a veterinary surgeon. James Herriot is a veterinary surgeon. Okay? So, it's a very funny story full of humorous situations and fun. Okay. Now, a little discussion about the central line. Okay? The theme. Outwardly, this story appears to be funny, full of humor. But if one is ready to learn, this story has a very good lesson to teach us. And what is it? It is too much of everything is bad. Excess of everything is bad. Be it love or any value like that. Even too much of love. Too much of love can be suffocating, can be fatal. So that's the lesson we can learn from this story, A Triumph of Surgery. Okay? Okay, my dear friends, there are three characters in this story. Mrs. Pumphrey. Or before telling you about the characters of this story, let me tell you something fun. You may have seen rich families, Dadi Ma, Nani Ma, Chachi Ma, pampering small children, pampering them very much. They keep on stuffing their children with every kind of rich food, with every kind of rich diet, and they make them goal-mattu. They fail to see that there's too much pampering. Lard, dular is simply ruining their children. So that is the central idea. कि too much of pampering in a moderate quantity is a very good thing, but too much of pampering can be very bad. Now, there are three characters in this story. The story revolves around the three characters. Mr. James Herriot, who is the narrator of this story, Mrs. Pomfrey, she is a very, very, very rich lady, and a dog named Tricky. Now let me tell you something about Mrs. Pomfrey, not about the weight, not about the narrator. So Mrs. Pomfrey is a lonely lady. She is very, very, very rich. She is highly affluent. She is so affluent that she has a set of a staff to serve, to nurse, to take care of her Tricky. In a way, she is very rich. And since she led a lonely life, she would remain indulgent. हरदम आप सुनेंगे घर में अपने मिथिला में दादी माँ गुस्सा जाती होंगी कभी कभी आपकी माँ पर, तो कहती होंगी ये कथी में लबड़ा आलू छी. So like that, she would often remain indulged. She would often remain indulged with that dog, and she would keep on pouring her love on it. So out of her extreme love for that dog, and the dog, that Tricky was a big glutton, a very greedy dog. He was ever ready to have dinner, to have food stuff. He was very greedy. He was a big khadhu. He was a big pet glutton. And so she would keep on stuffing her. She would keep on stuffing her. When he restarted, she would give her a chocolate cake, Horlicks, malt, cod liver, oil, and that dog Tricky had a very luxurious way of living. And she would not give him any exercise. So overeating, too much eating, made that dog terribly sick. The dog became fat, hugely fat. He was looking like a bloated sausage. He was looking like a bloated sausage. A cylindrical case. A cylindrical case. A cylindrical case. A cylindrical case having minced. वो कीमा होता है मांस का जो कीमा होता है, having minced meat, a spiced meat, seasoned meat. So he was looking like this cylindrical case full of minced meat. He was looking like a bloated sausage. And when he became terribly sick, he would do nothing. He would lie. He would keep on lying on a piece of rug, panting. He had bouts of vomits. उसको उल्टी की झड़ी लग जाती थी. His eyes were red shot, लाल रक्ताभ आंखें. His eyes were rheumy. His tongue lolled from his jaws. जीभ लटकी रहती थी. तो too much eating, and she loved him greatly. She loved him greatly, but It was beyond her imagination to think that she would ever lose her dog. So, too much eating, overeating made Tricky terribly sick. He became hugely fat. He would keep on lying on a piece of rag, panting. He had bouts of vomits. His eyes were rheumy. His eyes were bloodshot. His tongue lolled up from his jaw. Now it was a very frightening situation. And the tragedy is that she had been warned by Mr. Harriot many a time that she should take care of the dog properly. She should cut down. She must cut down on her diet. She must not give him sweet food. But she would keep on serving him with all kinds of delicacies. She would not hesitate even to give him chocolate cakes, Horlicks, malt, cod liver oil and whatnot. Okay. So Mr. James Harriot, the narrator of Wait, had already warned her to cut down on his diet and to give him plenty of exercise. But out of her love for that dog, she would not pay any attention to his advice. So when the dog became terribly sick, she had to call the doctor. Now something about the doctor. She called him frantically. She made a frantic call. एकदम आर्तनाद करते हुए, एकदम घबराहट में, she made a frantic call to Mr. Harriot, and Mr. Harriot was sure that he would have a call from Mrs. Pumphrey, and he had already made up his plan. What he would do to save that sweet dog. So he went there and he told her that the dog must be sent to a surgery, sent to his hospital. The dog must be hospitalized, and he took Tricky to his surgery. And you know, he didn't do anything else but kept the dog on a strict diet, on a supervised diet. For the first 3 days, he didn't give anything but plenty of water, and later on the dog started taking interest in his surroundings. He became a part of the pack, the group of dogs, and ultimately he got cured. So, these were the introductory remarks about this prose piece, A Triumph of Surgery. Okay? Tomorrow, we will discuss this story in detail, and before doing the meaning of the words, I must pray to you with folded hands, कि यहाँ पर कहीं से भी यह कोई मजाक नहीं किया जा रहा है। फिर याद दिला दे, 4 महीना भी अगर ढंग से मिल गया तो आप अपने को सौभाग्यशाली समझेंगे। और हम ऐसा मानकर चल रहे हैं कि आप में से क्लास 10th का हर एक स्टूडेंट आप एग्जामिनेशन मोड में हो। जैसे आप बोर्ड एग्जाम के पहले देखा होगा, आपके सीनियर्स दिसंबर में, जनवरी में जिस तरह से पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, हम मानकर चल रहे हैं कि कोरोना काल में आप उसी तरह से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। कल भी आपको बहुत समझा करके और होमवर्क दिया गया है कि डू इट लाइक ए टीचर। अब जितना आपको बताया गया है, जितना 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 इजी बनाया गया है फॉर एन आइस को, कि आप यहां पे अगर 10 लाइन इंग्लिश या इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल सके, गोया कि आप एक क्लास ले रहे हैं, आप डस्ट ऑफ स्नो पे नहीं बोल सके 10 सेंटेंस, आप ए लेटर टू गॉड पे 50 सेंटेंसेस नहीं बोल सके एट ए स्ट्रेच, तो ये बहुत सेमफुल कहा जाएगा। और कंटेक्चुअल मीनिंग, और फिर एक प्रार्थना कर रहा हूं कि जो भी कल वाले वीडियो को देखे, अगर एक स्टूडेंट भी संकल्प कर लो तो सारे लड़कों को, एक लड़की संकल्प कर ले तो सारी लड़कियों तक मेरे मनोभाव को, मेरे मैसेज को पहुंचाओ। और कल वाला होमवर्क तुम अगर नहीं करोगे 6 स्टेज में, और रिपोर्ट करो, नंबर दे दिया हूं कि तुम कहां तक पहुंचे हो, तो मेरा क्या बुरा होगा, हम लोगों का इससे क्या बुरा हो सकता है। लेकिन तुम विषपान नहीं करो। ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं अपने से अपने पांव पे कुल्हाड़ी नहीं मारो। कुछ वर्ड्स देख लो, वो फ्रैंटिक, बड़ा वो एग्जैक्ट, बड़ा घबरा करके, बदहवास करके, शी मेड अ फ्रैंटिक कॉल, शी मेड अ फ्रैंटिक, बदहवास, बहुत घबरा करके, फ्रैंटिक कॉल। कुशन समझते हो, गद्दा वगैरह, मसनद वगैरह, कुशन, कुशन। और तो पैम्पर, पैम्पर मतलब खूब लाड दुलार करना। यू मे हैव seen grandmothers, mothers in this families pampering their grandsons, granddaughters, and simply they ruin themselves. Mrs. Pumphrey did the same with Triti. Yeah? She would keep on pampered. Pampered. Distress, malkin, malkin, mistress. जेम्स हैरियट वो हो गए वेटनरी सर्जन, पशु चिकित्सक। क्या है? A bloating sausage, a cylindrical case having, ऐसा वो लगता था जैसे 4 legs have been set on a bloated, वो फूल के कुप्पा हो गया, फूल के ऐसा करके वो छोटा कुत्ता फूल कर एकदम कुप्पा, ऐसा फूल कर कुप्पा लगता था कि 4 लेग जो है सेट कर दिया। ब्लोटिंग सॉसेज, रियूमी, रियूमी, हर आइज रियूमी, आंख में देखते हो ना आपने, यहाँ भी बहुत छोटे बच्चों को सो के उठते हैं तो सफेद सफेद रंग का एक स्टफ एक्यूमुलेटेड पाओगे, दैट इज आंख से पानी आना, आंख में कीच बन जाना, तो हर आइज रियूम। ठीक है, लिस्टलेस, ऊर्जा विहीन, ऊर्जा विहीन, कमजोर, लिस्टलेस, माल न्यूट्रिशन, malnutrition, malnutrition, कुपोषण, कुपोषण, bouts of vomit, he had bouts of vomits, उल्टी पर उल्टी, उल्टी पर उल्टी, उल्टी पर उल्टी, उल्टी की झड़ी लग जाती थी। on a run, चूंकि उल्टी होती थी तो he would keep on lying on a piece of rug, वो चिथरा एक टुकड़ा उस पे वो पड़ा रहता था। और पैंट, टू पैंट माने हाफना, हाफनी, पैंटिंग। पैक कहते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ डॉग्स, पैक भाव, ये कलेक्टिव नाम पैक। इसका स्पेलिंग ठीक से, ये है सोफर, CHAU, जो बड़े बड़े धनी लोगों की जो गाड़ी होती है पर्सनल, तो उनका जो पर्सनल ड्राइवर होता है वो है सोफर, CHAUFFEUR, सोफर। और ये देख लो, उसमें एक बड़ा फनी सिचुएशन आता है, एक बड़ा फनी सिचुएशन आता है। वो क्या होता है कि वो मतलब she would keep on asking the doctor about the well-being of Tricky। बार बार पूछती रहती थी जब वो 15 डेज के लिए वहां लेकर के गए। तो डॉक्टर साहब ने एक दिन कह दिया कि his convalescing, तो मे बी convalescing मतलब वो रिकवर कर रहा है, ठीक हो रहा है। convalescing, she might have heard it convalescing as convulsing, तो उसको हो सकता है सुन ली कि convulsing, the dog is convulsing। तो convulsing को जो देह में स्पैज्म, ऐठन वगैरह होने लगता है अंग में, he is convulsing। तो she got panicked and she started sending eggs, she started sending wine, she started sending brandy to the surgery so that Tricky might recover soon। ये बड़ा फनी सिचुएशन है, कल हम लोग बात करेंगे। convulsing, वो बोले convulsing, your dog is convulsing, वो समझ गई कि her dog was convulsing, घबरा गई। तो ठीक उल्टा अर्थ समझ ली, तो वो she started sending those things so that her dog might recover soon, तो वो हो गया। और इंडल्जेंस माने नहीं आसक्त होना, हरदम उसी में लगा रहना, इंडल्जेंट। जोवियल, वो जो मिस्टर हेरियट थे, he was a very good doctor, he was a very good veterinary surgeon, he knew how to treat a dog nicely and he was tactful, he was jovial sort of, you know, बड़े प्रसन्न थे, अच्छे मस्त मिजाज इंसान थे। He was tactful, he was jovial, और लॉर्ड फ्रॉम एक्स जॉय, जीभ लटका रहता था उसका, जीभ लटका रहता था। फिर एक बार चुके, हम लोग यही सीखे हैं कि वह शिक्षक जो यह सोचता है कि मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूं, उससे बड़ा बदनसीब कोई नहीं। हम लोग इसी भाव से कि यह मेरा सौभाग्य है कि परमात्मा ने मुझे आपकी सेवा का सौभाग्य दिया है, इसलिए इस मुद्रा में आने में कोई संकोच नहीं कि आप होमवर्क करें, आप मुझे रिपोर्ट करें। और एक आदमी भी तो देखोगे, एक लड़का या एक लड़की, ये मार्केट के लिए नहीं बन रहा है कुछ भी। ये जितने वीडियोस बन रहे हैं और बनते रहेंगे पूरे शानो शौकत से, जब तक यह दुर्भाग्यशाली कोरोना समाप्त नहीं होता है। तो ये होमवर्क को लेकर जो मेरा एम्फेसिस है, उस पर ध्यान दो प्लीज।